Welcome. In this video, we're diving into QQ, a popular messaging app with unique features that make it stand out. As we move into 2025, having a QQ account can help you connect with friends, access gaming, and much more. Let's get started with the sign-up process. Follow these simple steps to create your QQ account. Whether you prefer mobile or desktop, QQ offers both platforms. Let's explore the benefits of each. First, you'll need to fill out some personal information. Make sure it's accurate. Next, verify your email and phone number to secure your account. Now, let's personalize your profile by choosing a username and avatar. Once you're registered, explore QQ's user-friendly interface. Here are some great tips to maximize your QQ experience and connect with others. Now that you know how to create a QQ account, what are you waiting for? Start exploring today.